Imagine if artificial intelligence could tell us who will lift the next World Cup trophy.
Sounds impossible, right? Well, AI has already predicted elections, stock movements, and football matches. But can it really predict the World Cup?
Today, we're putting AI to the test.
Yeah.
We will show you exactly what this new feature can do for you.
Did you see how I create this podcast studio? I'm going to teach you how to generate the script, the dialogue, the camera angles, and the sequence. All of these I'm going to teach you for free. The apps you are going to use, you don't need to pay for this app. With these free tools, you are going to generate it, and we all know that the World Cup is coming up, and a lot of people are looking for ideas and way to create something like this so that they can boost their social media pages and monetize it. So with this podcast studio, you are going to use it to monetize all your social media app just for free. If you are new here, kindly smash on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, make sure you like and share to your friends so that they can also gain more value as you also. Let's dive into the teaching right now. Come over to your ChatGPT. Now we want to write a script we are going to use for this podcast. Here is a complete podcast episode structure designed for AI-generated video scene with camera direction, the motion, captivating, and predict winner. So this is it. This is it. From scene 1 to the closing end, scene 7. So you can use this to boost your social medias. The title is here. Can AI predict the next World Cup winner? So the next thing I'm going to do here is to ask ChatGPT to rewrite my football podcast prompt into a 4-image storyboard with different angles. So I'm going to click on this arrow facing up to create it. So here is the image 1, establishing shot, the camera angle, wide front shot, the 24mm lens, the scene, the camera motion prompt, the image 2, 3, and 4. All these are the storyboard, the camera angle storyboard I'm going to use for this. And here is the recommended sequence: image 1, podcast introduction, image 2, image 3, image 4. All these are what we are going to use to create this AI prediction. So let's go over to the app we're going to use to generate this image. Image 1 is the podcast introduction. Here is the image 1, establishing the shot. This is the scene. We have the camera angle, we have the scene, we have the camera motion, and the AI prompt. The prompts I'm going to use to generate them. Image 2 is the AI analysis. This is image 2. The camera angle over the shoulder shot, the scene, the motion, and the AI prompt. Down to image 3, the debate, image 4, the final AI. So all of these, I'm going to teach you step by step on how to create it. You make sure you watch to the end because I'm going to teach you a detailed illustration of all of this so that you will learn how to generate it to make massive income on your social media app. If you know you have not subscribed, smash the subscribe button. Now I'm going to use this image 1. This is where I'm going to copy from the storyboard because I need different angles of the scene, the images, you understand. I'm going to copy this scene, a highly professional football podcast. I'm going to copy it from here, from the beginning to here. I'll copy it. Now let's go over to the app we're going to use to generate this image. The app we're going to use to generate our image is gemini.google.com. One thing I love about the Gemini AI is that it creates realistic image. It's going to retain your image. Once you tell Gemini AI to not alter this image, it's going to retain the features of your face and make it realistic. So most times I love making use of Gemini AI. I'm going to upload 2 images of myself and another one, clicking this plus sign because I need a consistent characters. I'll click on this plus sign, click on this file and bring in the images. Click files again. I'm going to add a second image. I pasted in my prompt and I add, do not alter the images to create a highly professional football podcast studio featuring a male, the reference, all these prompts. I'm going to add them in my Telegram channel. Do well to check the description below and look for the channel to bring in all of this. So click on this arrow facing up to create it using my reference image. Wow, beautiful. And this image come in 9:16. Please don't forget, whenever you are adding your prompt, make sure you add your aspect ratio, the one you want. If you want the 9:16 for the YouTube shots, you can create it this way. Why, if you want the 16:9 for the YouTube video, you add it to create it in that 16:9. I'll just click on this cancel. You can just add it to create it in 16:9. It's going to create it in 16:9. Yeah, this is beautiful, man. How to create the 16:9, you just edit it and it's going to give you the 16:9 version. So if you want to download it, you just click up here and you will see that arrow facing down. It will download it. One thing about these images, if you use the Gemini AI to create these images, it will retain the consistent face. But if you use another generating AI to create these images and you bring it to Gemini AI, it will slightly edit a bit out of your face. Yes, this is what so many creators won't tell you. So to test another app in creating this image, go to your Chrome browser and type flow.ai, Google Flow.ai. Click on this new project. Make sure you log in using your Gmail. Now we have different apps you can use to create these images. By tapping on this Nano Banana 2, you tap here for the to see the 9:16 different aspect ratio, and you can generate 4 images. It's free. You are not using any credits. It's free of charge. You click on this drop down in this Nano Banana 2, you are going to see other image generation. Nano Banana Pro, the Imagine 4, the Nano Banana 2. So you can use the Nano Banana 2. You click on the 16:9 or any of the aspect ratio you want to make use of and tap back to this field. I'm going to click on this plus sign up here to bring in my images and tap on this upload media. I'm going to bring in this first image and the two together and click on done. I'm waiting for the second image to load. I know you are gaining value. Kindly smash on the subscribe button. I'm waiting for you to smash on it. Turn on the notification bell. Let's move on into the tutorial. So I'm going to tap on these first images and click on add to prompts. I'll tap on this second one and also add to prompts. This is how to add your images in Flow AI. So I'm going to paste my prompts. I'll go back to ChatGPT. On this, from the camera motion to this AI prompts, I'll copy it, come over to here and paste it here. I've also edited and add the reference image. And wow, this is beautiful. You can see it changes the feature, the faces a bit. Can you see it? So you can differentiate from Nano Banana 2 and Gemini AI to see which did you prefer and how beautiful it looks like. I want to download it. You click on this arrow, drop down up and download it to the phone. I also upscaled it to a higher resolution, but I want to download it in this original size to retain the way I want it. So I'll come over to ChatGPT and copy from this scene 1. So you copy from camera angle down to this table here. You copy it. Then you come down to the dialog by clicking on the female host and click on from this dialog. You copy it. We'll go back to Flow AI. If you want to retain the same voice, you just click on this plus and click on create character. You understand? Then you scroll up this way. You scroll up and come here. If you have a reference image already, you click on this upload here. You click on files. I'm bringing the first one we generated for Gemini AI. Need to load. You just come up here. This untitled character, you can name your characters if you know you forget it. Tutorial AI Studio. Then you come down here and you select the voice. Here, you select it. We have different voices. You just have to check all the voice and see the one that is preferable you want to use. You click on that arrow to test the.
Hi there.
I love this ziffer. You can, if you want to remove it, you click on this remove. You select another one. You select.
Hi there. We're introducing a...
Zephy. This Zephy, or what is it called? I love this.
Hi there.
I love it because you can really actually understand it and the voice is beautiful. Optional, you can describe. So there's no need to describe since you want to generate videos with this, and you click on done. So I've teach you different methods to upload the images as your character to be consistent with different voice. I'll click on this plus sign to add the images. This is the Victoria AI Studio you will tick because it's the character you uploaded because you need consistent voice. I'll tap on it. Then I'm going to paste my prompt. Now whenever you see this image you're seeing here, you know is your character. Just click on this nano banana to change it to video. I'll come to video here. I'm making use of the ingredients. I'll leave it at 69 and I need one generation because I'm making use of the free credit. Now if you want to use the Omni Flash, you use the VO3 Fast. That is 20 credit, or the VO3 Lite, that is 10 credit. So I'll make use of this VO3 Lite. I'll tap on these ingredients, the 1 ratio, then this VO3 Lite. I'll go back like this and click on generate, this arrow for it to generate. Now you are going to create other ones from the same one using the camera sequence till you get all of them. So it's going to show queued here. Why it's showing queued? There are a lot of people online, so you're going to give it time for it to generate it. And I'm making use of the free version. Make sure you smash the subscribe button and watch to the end to see how I create it. And I'm going to tap on this arrow to play it. It is for me.
Imagine if artificial intelligence could tell us
Wow, very beautiful.
who will lift the...
So click on this drop down to download it to the 720p. Now I'm going to come over here to click on the mail host. What is saying? Since the mail is going to talk, I'm not going to make use of the character. I'll click on this plus sign and click on this image. So it will be added to the prompt. I'll paste in my prompt for the mail aspect. I'll put in the camera angle. I'll write a mail host in a calm Nigerian. Alright, the lady is mute. The lady is mute, watching. And click on this arrow to generate it because I don't want the lady to say anything. No, AI is somehow, it can, if the head of AI touch, the lady will speak. So I just said the lady is muted. Muted. Watching closely. Finished. And click on this arrow to generate it.
Well, AI has already predicted elections, stock movement,
Can you see it? Very
and football matches. But can it
very beautiful. So I'm going to click on this drop down to download it. Did you see how I created it? So I'll go back to ChatGPT to copy the scene 2 again. Click on this female host and copy it. Click on copy. Come over to Flow AI here and paste in the prompts. Now before pasting in the prompt, remember we have to add the camera sequence and camera motion and bring in the camera angle. So I'm going to type the male host be muted and watchful, and click on this arrow to generate it. So this is how you keep on generating till you get all by using the camera sequence, the motions.
Will it be Argentina again? Can France reclaim the crown, or will a surprise nation shock the world?
This is how you keep on creating it, using the camera angle, the sequence, and the dialogue.
Welcome back, football fans. The World Cup is getting closer, and fans everywhere are debating who will become champions.
Will it be Argentina again? Can France reclaim the crown, or will a surprise nation shock the world?
It's all up for grabs.
São saber equation.
And the results are fascinating.
I know with this step-by-step tutorial, you have known how to create a podcast studio just like the one I've taught you. Welcome to Victoria AI Studio. I teach on AI animation, how to use AI to generate massive income. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn off the notification bell for more tutorials like this. See you in my next one.